Hey everyone, we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x by implicit differentiation of 4 cosine of x sine of y equals 1. So we're going to differentiate both sides of the equation first. So we're going to differentiate the left-hand side with respect to x. So that's cosine x, sine of y, and also differentiate with respect to x of 1. This is just going to be 0 here. All right, so the main thing we have to worry about is this side, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the 4 out. We are going to have to use the product rule on this, and we're using implicit differentiation because we have two different variables here. So basically, for the product rule, which is what we have here, we're going to copy down the cosine of x and differentiate our y, sine of y. So the derivative of sine is cosine of y, and that was with derivative of y with respect to x. Then we have to add, and you're going to copy down your sine of y times the derivative of cosine of x, which is negative sine of x there. And this was a derivative of x with respect to x. And this all equals 0 because this is just 0 here. Now, derivative of x with respect to x just equals 1. So that's just going to be 1. I'm also going to write my derivative of y with respect to x as y prime, so we can get used to different notations. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute my 4 here, and you get 4 cosine of x cosine of y times y prime. I'm just substituting this for y prime, plus 4, it's going to be minus actually. So let's write this as minus, because you have this negative here, minus sine of y times sine of x equals 0. And there should be a 4 here, because I have to distribute the 4. All right, now that you do that, we're going to group our y primes together. So I'm going to move this over to the right-hand side of the equation. All right, now let's go ahead and divide both sides by this to isolate our derivative. So you get y prime equals, I'm going to go ahead and write this sine x first. 4 sine of x sine of y divided by 4 cosine of x cosine of y. Now that we have that, this equals the 4's cancel, and sine of x divided by cosine of x is tan of x, and sine of y divided by cosine of y is equal to tan of y. So this is your final answer, and this was the same as our derivative of y with respect to x. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.